Look at all this. Look at all this. This is called souvenir. If you want souvenir, this is what you guys get for souvenir. Now it's time to check out Foodie Land right here. Let's check out what Hawaiian snacks they have.
We arrived 30 minutes before closing. Let's get straight to the preserved food.
The crab meat, imitation crab meat, seaweed salad, edamame. That's a good amount of edamame right there for $6. Look at that.
This is imitation crab
More
meat
spicy
poke.
poke. What's this we got here?
Dried
Something. We got some bento with some purple broccoli like on the right. Beef bento with kimchi. Wow. The party size ribs. Chicken teriyaki party size. Chow mein.
gogi taco kit.
Oh crap. The unigiri with edamame. I never seen that.
Salmon.
Salmon. Must be in the middle. Is this a plum? Oh, not the biggest fan of that one. And then shoyu tuna. The masidi is what? Bam. Oh, the katsu style chicken masudi. Well, it looks like a fried one. Which one? This? This one? Ooh, they're hot. Shrimp tempura roll. Let's get the hot. They even specify hot chicken masudi. Oh no, I can't get this one. The wrap is actually has been broken into. What's this one? Scallops. Scallops. That looks kind of good. You said mixed poke here. This could be something for the beach. Beach and poke out here. Which one?
Can we do a quarter pound of this? This is Forge Dynamite Apple.
Look at those cake. Is that ube? That must be ube. It is ube. Not sure guava. These are some tropical flavors here. Coconut. Oh, that looks good. For $17 only? Wow. Or just get a slice of it. Huh? Want to get a slice of it? Passion fruit crunch cake. Sweet potato Okinawan. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. I thought it was cake, but it's more like one of those very dense
Sweet potato
dessert.
papaya, yeah.
How much is this?
Sweet potato and
$12. It looks pretty good. Is that something to consider?
What is this? Strawberry cheese square?
Cream cheese square. Don't know.
Pumpkin crunch.
Pumpkin crunch. Creme brulee. Chocolate nom nom cake. Blue Point creme brulee. Let's go. When in Hawaii, one of the things to always go check out is the grocery store because there are so many unique things that you don't ever see. I mean, look, they got a chocolate hopeful cream pie, velvet custard tart right there. Whoa, look at this. Sashimi, something we don't really eat often. Look at this one though. Oh, it's chashu. Huh? Oh. I thought this was tonkatsu. Huh? Look at the sashimi though. Wow. $40 for this one. Sashimi. Ahi sashimi for the 40. We got some king crabs here. Look at that. Oh, that's cheap actually. No, wait, that's $37 a pound. Wow, that's actually expensive. Look at this. The kalbi. They're so like into this out here in Hawaii. Short rib. Wow, look at there's some marbling on this guy.
This is what we had earlier.
$17. That's pretty cheap. Oh.
Well, teriyaki beef.
Teriyaki, but the kalbi. Hawaii water. Look at that. Coconut water. I've never seen it. Huh? Look at these crispy beef jerky. It's like $10 each for a small little pack of 1.6 ounce. But there's also this one for 11 something. Omame, Chris. Might even get this instead. $11.49. The tuna jerky. I've actually already had it and I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm gonna skip out on it. We got a lot of things. I'm getting the beef jerky. Shoyu peanuts. Wow. Mixed mochi balls. Oh my goodness. I actually want to try some too. It's that nasty taste to it though, right?
It has that, you know, that plum powder, that one that you and Anna were trying.
Yeah.
But it's grounded and it's...
And the most famous souvenirs that people bring back after they come to Hawaii. The mawa luau and all these other stuff. the most famous chocolate that people like to bring back for souvenirs for everyone else. Oh, cool. I smoked the barbecue. That looks kind of good. Sounds good. That's a lot of these things. And now it's time to go home and try some of these and let y'all know how it tastes. Let's go. So we're all actually eating our Foodland food in the hotel. As you can see, we got the pokes. We're gonna eat the poke with chip. So this is the torch dynamite. Maybe smoked, maybe just spicy. Not bad. There's a little wasabi taste. So now we have here to show you ahi tuna. It's very soft, softer than dynamite. To show you, it's very sesame. So this is a California roll ahi. I don't know what I'm expecting, but let's give it a try.
Oh, you know why? It's California
Crab meat?
imitation crab.
It's supposed to be like imitating a California roll.
I did not try the imitation crab, but it does taste a little like Cali roll, I guess. For Foodland, all three was pretty good. They all have their own different flavor, and they were pretty flavorful. As you seen earlier, I got the hot spam musubi and the hot chicken musubi. Right off the bat, look at this chicken. It looks like a katsu chicken style. Crispy little skin right here. Let's give it a try. It's a $2.99 musubi. The musubi is topped with some farake. Look at that crispy chicken. That looks crispy. Right now the skin's not crispy no more because I bought this like over an hour ago, so I took it off its little heating pad. But I can tell you this, it's juicy. It has a little saltiness to the chicken as well. The rice, surprisingly, I don't taste much of the farake. We also gotta try to spam musubi out here, which is $2.19. Remember, Foodland, you have to go to Foodland FARM if you want the one that has everything, like a lot of warm food for you, and not just like a grocery store. It's like a Wholefoods with so many different type of food. While Foodland, without the word farm on it, it's like a Safeway. Not many options like the one in Foodland Farm. Got some teriyaki sauce in it too. Oh yeah. A little glow to this musubi. Let's give it a bite. You already know that spam is salty, and this is salty. Once again, same with this. The rice, the farake, can't really taste it. Honestly, this farake did not make a difference, and I can make this at home. Just slice up some canned spam, put with some rice, and tastes pretty similar to this. And that is it for my Foodland adventure. I swear, if I lived here for a few months, I would be going to Foodland so much to try a lot of different food, their fruits, everything. There's so much to grab in the Foodland farm. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, travel ahead.